Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can basically fix Lunar client is not launching. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and then you need to look if there is no processes of Lunar client. If there is some processes and all the tasks here, and after you do so, then relaunch Lunar client and look if the problem persists. Another thing that can be is you just need to launch Lunar client with admin. So look for Lunar client here and then run as admin and look if the problem persists after that. Next thing what you need to do here is to write run or press Windows and I key to open up this window here. And then you just need to write .lunar client. Here you will see few folders, JRE and offline. So delete these two folders. Once it's deleted, also make sure that Lunar client is completely closed, because if you do not completely close it, you cannot simply delete these folders. And after that, look if the problem persists. And if all these fixes do not work, then you just need to reinstall Lunar client. So go to installed apps, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, look for Lunar client, and then you just need to uninstall it, right? Once it's gone from the apps, you need to open a browser, look for lunarclient.com and re-download Lunar client and install it, and it should work. So that's pretty much it.